As a vehicle owner, maintenance comes down to three things: safety, reliability, and performance. We are recommending a BG fuel service to improve the reliability and fuel efficiency of your vehicle. Just like a dirty barbecue grill, carbon buildup is inevitable and builds up on intake valves and combustion chambers, reducing airflow and engine efficiency. Without proper maintenance, you will experience hard starts, rough idle, and reduced fuel mileage. The BG Fuel Service is today's version of an engine tune-up, removing carbon from critical components to restore fuel efficiency and engine responsiveness while reducing harmful emissions. This service is backed by the lifetime BG protection plan at no additional charge and covers up to $4,000 in service-related repairs. Be good to your car and choose to perform a BG Fuel service today.